Hello, happy family. Welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Have you ever thought about using your ripe plantain to make these amazing snacks? Okay, if this is your first time, I want to show you how I made this. So let's get started. So I have few ingredients right here. So I'm going to start by blending some pepper, garlic, ginger, and onion. And with this recipe you can actually use blender if you cannot have like the asanka. So the pot that I'm using right here is called asanka in Ghanaian language. So yeah, if you really want to try this out, you can actually get some from any African markets near you. So after everything is nice blend, just leave it aside. Yes, so here comes the ugliest ripe plantain you've ever seen, and trust me, this ripe plantain right here is really nice. So usually, you buy fresh plantain, you let it sit for a couple of days, and this is how it turned out to be. And trust me, friends, you will never ever eat plantain the same way again after you try this recipe. So next thing you're gonna do is just get all the skin removed, and after you're all done, transfer that into a clean bowl and go ahead and get your spoon ready. So we're gonna mash this thing up. To get it faster, stress-free, you can also use food processor to do this part, or you can even use blender if that's what you want to do. So yes, go ahead and mash this into a very nice, not really smooth, it's like a halfway. So next I have here my cassava flour, and if you cannot find this, you can add 2 eggs to replace that. And also I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of cloves, and then just go ahead and add your spice in there, give it a very nice stir after you added your salt. And this is a really fun recipe. Actually, this is very easy. You can make it within like 20 minutes. It is like the easiest recipe that I really want everybody to try at home. So on this part, I'm gonna add my cassava flour. Gradually add this thing. Don't just dump everything in there, because you might end up getting some lumps in there. That's not what we want. Okay, so just feel free and gradually add it. This looks really nice and very smooth, and this plantain actually tastes so sweet. Okay, so if you're that sugar person, you can really enjoy this thing. All right, so we are done. Just go ahead, cover it up and have it sit for about 5 minutes, and then get your oil ready. So I'm using here sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I really love sunflower oil because it gives a really nice rich brown, like goldish. That's what I really love about sunflower, but you can use any oil of your choice. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and deep fry these plantains, but if you want to bake it, you can feel free and bake it. I've never tried the baking part before, but if you really want to try that, you can give it a try and see how it turned out. Never hurt to try. Also, I am using a low medium heat to fry this plantain because I don't want it to burn. You really have to take the time to cook this recipe, especially when it comes to the frying part, because you might easily burn it and you don't want to mess up. Okay, so yeah, take your time and cook this into perfection. So look at that rich, beautiful golden color. That is how I want it. It looks so delicious, and I hope you guys try this plantain recipe. So yeah, never ever throw your plantain away. Okay, you can make use of it, and this is the final results. I hope you really enjoyed it. You can actually eat this with cooked beans or peanuts. Okay, try this recipe out and leave me some comment down there below, because I would love to hear your feedback and let me know what you think about this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed, don't forget to share for us. Until I see you again, stay safe.